Hi there, students. Ephemeral. Ephemeral is an adjective, and we even have a noun as well, ephemera, an uncountable noun. Let's see, something that is ephemeral is something that only lasts a short time. It's temporary, it's transitory, it's evanescent. So the ephemeral beauty of a sunset. We all think that the life of a butterfly is ephemeral. Most of them live a month, but some of them can live up to a year. The ephemeral pleasures of life, a good meal, a beautiful smell, a nap after lunch. So ephemeral, something short-lived. There's an insect that we call the mayfly, and this has an ephemeral life that lasts only a few hours normally. And this class of insects, these mayflies, are called Ephemeroptera. Okay, so it's in the name. This word, ephemeral, has given rise to a whole class of collectibles, which we call ephemera, the noun, uncountable noun. And ephemera are things that were made, but they only expected them to last a very short time. Especially written or printed things, Christmas cards, tickets, advertising pamphlets, postcards, air sickness bags, comics, or even recordings of early TV programs. Okay, so ephemera are the group of collectibles, of things people collect, that originally they were only designed to last or be used for a very short time. Today's newspaper is great, but next week, wrap your fish and chips in it. And that's the idea. So something ephemeral, short-lived, fleeting, transient, passing, having a very short lifestyle. They often use this word ephemeral to describe plants that germinate, grow, flower and die with a very brief life cycle. Ephemeral plants can flower and die several times in a year. So if something is ephemeral, it's not long lasting. The ephemeral puddles of water on the ground after a rainstorm. In 3 hours they won't be there. The light provided by a flash of lightning, that illumination, it's completely ephemeral. It lasts only a fraction of a second. Earthly pleasures are ephemeral. The things that please us and give us pleasure mostly just last a very short time. Or the ephemeral thoughts that go through our heads. So, ephemera, collectibles that only were designed with a short lifetime, and ephemeral, temporary, short-lived, passing. So what about the formality of ephemeral? I would probably give this 6.5, 7 in formality. I think in an informal conversation, I'd probably use the phrase short-lived. Ephemeral sounds poetic and literary, but it's a good word for semi-formal and formal writing. And then as to origin, well, we have a Latin word, ephemeros, which came from the ancient Greek ephemeros, meaning on one day. Epi, on, and Hemera day, so on one day. So, ephemeral. Yeah, so many things in life are ephemeral, and it's over. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ephemeral.